Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the last unboxing of the whole Cajon drum setup, and what we have here is the Ludwig Atlas standard hardware pack. Okay, you can see the whole box here, so let's get on with it. Alright, I've taken the box apart. So inside you can see it's separately packed. Okay, this looks like the snare drum stand. I can't see what else is below, so I just gotta take them out. Alright, all the various pieces are out now. So you can see that's for the right cymbal. This one here is snare drum. This is the hi-hat stand. As you can see, there's a pedal at the bottom as well. And the last one here is just the small crash cymbal. And the last bit is the kick drum stand. Okay, let's do the unboxing. And this is what we have in the packaging. So I guess it looks very well built. Tension feels good. Very legit piece of equipment. Okay, so it's just a little bit different. Instead of using this piece here, this is for a normal kick drum. I'm being told by the good people at Swili that I need to use this for my Cajon. So main difference is it's more spongy and not as hard as the original piece. This is very hard, very solid. So I can imagine if I press it too hard, I'm probably going to spoil the Cajon. So I gotta put this in. This is how it looks like. A bit spongy head here. Looks interesting. So I will need to tighten it to secure it. See that? Okay. Next item. Okay. We have here the boom. Took me a while to figure out where the extension is actually hidden, but it is actually inside, so I got to unscrew and lift it out, and the boom is here. Everything looks very nice and solid. Very well made. Okay, I'm gonna put the crash right cymbal on. Okay, this is exciting. That's the right cymbal fixed on. You can hear it. Okay, it's starting to feel like a band now. Okay, next equipment please. Okay, this is the straight stand. So early on we had the boom. This boom looks a bit different. There's an extension rod. The straight stand doesn't have it. So I'm going to attach my 12-inch crash cymbal for MEINL. Okay. So in case you're wondering what I actually did, so this is the screwing part. So just not too tight, just nice. See, if it's too tight, the sound doesn't come out. Okay, 12-inch crash. Done. Next one, please. Okay, alright. This, incidentally, is the hardest bit to put together. Hi-hat stand, so there's actually a pedal here. So with the pedal you can actually control the clicking, you see that? Right. So the hi-hats will be fitted here. So with this action you can actually create a clicking sound with the hi-hats, and if you control well enough, later I'll just demonstrate what that actually means, but this whole thing actually took a while to fix up. So I'm going to put in the hi-hat now. Okay, just something to point out. So we have the hi-hats here. So if you just look closely, you can actually see this. It says hi-hat top. And over here, just zoom in, you can actually see it's the hi-hat bottom. So there is a difference. So let me figure out how to get this in. Alright, I learn something new every day. So there's actually a this catch here, so it comes off immediately. Alright, did a lot of fiddling just to get this correct. That was a good 5-10 minutes. So you can see the hi-hat in action. Right, so this is one of the effects. Okay, something don't feel right, I need to adjust it a bit more. Okay, I think I finally got it. Sounds about right. I'm not too sure either, but okay, looks good. Let's move on to the last piece, the snare drum stand. Okay, this one didn't take too long. There's a ball joint here. Your snare is supposed to sit there. Yep, just some tightening screws. Okay, so I'm just going to put the snare drum in. Okay, that wasn't too difficult. So the snare drum is in now. Okay, and my drumsticks. Okay, let's just do a bit of testing. Sounds good. So previously you can't really hear the snare. Now you can hear the full effect of the snare. Isn't it exciting? Okay, now we are talking. So can you see all the equipment here? The samba John, kick pedal, snare drum, okay, the hi-hats, cymbal, right. Okay, there you have it. This is the finale of the unboxing series. Okay, this is the Cajon drum set that I'm going to put together. Okay, thank you for watching. This has been a very long video. Okay, next up I'm going to put everything together, align it, and I want to play something. Okay, so come back and watch me play. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. It's been great. Thank you. Bye.